In 5 simple steps, I'm going to show you how exactly you can create a business email. Now, by the end of this video, you'll be able to create your business email and also make sure that you're able to send the email as well. And all in just about 15 minutes. So let's get started and welcome to Sriram Benur channel. I did a lot of research and some of the top service providers are Google Workspace, Zoho, Microsoft 365 and more. But coming to the pricing, Google Workspace is at a higher price. Again, Microsoft 365 is also at a higher price. I have used the service of this. It's brilliant, but pricing is higher. But Zoho Mail comes for just about $1 per user per month. You can just click on the link that I given in the video description to create your account. That's my affiliate account. Now, I just click on this and coming to the pricing plan. If you see here, they have Workspace Standard. That's about 99 rupees per month. If you pay annually, if you're going to pay per month, it is going to be 129 rupees per month. You also get 100 GB storage as well. Okay. Now 30 GB storage for the emails. Now coming to Mail Lite, for 59 rupees per month. Okay. You get 5 GB email storage and other features are included. If you want about 10 GB, then you select 10 GB and you're just going to pay about 75 rupees per month as well. Now, there are a lot of other plans available. I'll not jump into that. Whichever is right for you, you can certainly choose that. I'm just going to click on sign up right now. Now here, please create your account. So I'm going to give my name, email ID, I'll set the password, agree and create. So I need to enter the OTP. Let me just do that right now. I'm going to keep it simple so that you can understand and follow and implement. The moment you come here, you find something like this which says add existing domain, or you can buy a new domain as well. Okay. Now, if you don't have a domain, you can just click on this and buy now. If you already have the domain, you can just click on add now. I'm going to keep it very simple so that you can easily understand and implement this. What I'm going to do right now, I have my domain, so that's Digital Achievers Hub. I'm going to copy this link here and come back to Zoho, okay, and paste this. Please note, you should not copy this HTTPS. You should also not have this colon at the end. Then it says give the provide your organization name. I'm going to quickly give my organization name. Okay, industry type. It's into education. Now, depending upon the category, you can select your industry category as well. Then click on add now. Now, if you see, it says your domain name has been added successfully. It says proceed to payment. I'm going to click on proceed to payment. Okay. So what we selected is for 10 GB number of users. We're going to have only one user. Add-on, we don't want any other add-on. This all looks good. Proceed. Okay, so that's the taxes. I'll quickly give the billing name, billing details, and then click on proceed to pay. So I just enter the details and I'm also giving the GST details here. Okay, and then going to click on proceed to pay. Okay, so this one-time payment will be charged now and further will be then charged automatically as per your plan. So that's about once in a year. I'm going to quickly enter my card details and pay now. Okay, let me enter the OTP. Okay, so this is done now. Okay, now with this, we'll go to visit Zoho Workplace again. Okay. Now it says proceed to domain verification. We need to make sure that the domain that we just added, we need to verify. So I'm going to click on proceed to domain verification. What it is saying is we need to add this text, okay, in our domain. So it also mentions like where your domain has been purchased. So if you see here, it is saying as Namecheap. I'm going to go to my Namecheap account here, okay, and I'll quickly go to the text that they gave. This is the text that we need to add. I'm going to click on copy. So I've just logged into my Namecheap account. Now this step is actually simple. You don't need any technical skills or something. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my domain list and find the domain that I had just was referring to over there. So this is the domain. I'll just click on manage here. Once you click on manage, you will find something like this. Go to advanced DNS. Okay, go to advanced DNS. Now this is where we need to add the record. Okay, I'm going to click on add new record. It said as text record, and then this is the value that they said. It was mentioned to add text at the rate or leave it blank. Okay, let's give as at the rate. I'll give as at and do this. Okay, now this text has been added. I'll come back to Zoho and I'll say as verify text record. See, sometimes it might take up to 30 minutes or a day to verify. Okay, I'll give about 30 minutes time and then come back to this and again start this process. Okay, now it's been about more than an hour. I'm just going to quickly click on verify text record. So let's see if it gets verified right now. Okay, now if you see, it says you have now verified your domain ownership, and if you see here, okay, this is what is the record that we added in the advanced DNS and this is the one. Okay, so this is what we have added. Okay, so simple, you can just follow that to make sure you are linking the domain. Okay, now it says your login email address. What is the email ID that you need at the rate this one? So let me just give the email ID here .com. I'm going to click on create. Okay, so it is just setting up right now. Now this is created. Okay, so name and email. You also have edit profile if you want to edit anything. Okay, so this is all created right now. Let me go back to setup. Okay, so this is done. Now let's move to the next step. Okay, proceed to setup group. I'm going here right now, group distribution list. So I'm not looking to create any groups here, so I'm going to click on proceed to DNS mapping. Okay, now so once you verify your domain, so this is the next step to be followed. Now the next step, it is saying that okay, we need to add all this DNS settings in domain manager where you have purchased the domain. So it is saying as Namecheap, so I'm going to go there. Let me go to Namecheap here. Okay, I'll go to my domain list. Then this is my domain. I'm going to click on manage here. Okay, go to advanced DNS. I'll just scroll down. You will find this section which says as mail settings. So click on this, select as custom MX. Okay, now enter the details that they have given here. So this one, it's at this priority. Let's see what is the priority that they have given. Priority 10. Okay, save changes, then add new record. Okay, at then this one, priority 20. Okay, then add new record. At you have this one, 50. Add. Next we need to add the text records. Let me come here. I'll select as add text record. The details are at the rate this one which you're pasting here. Add this, click on add new record, again text record. Okay, then go here and put this value here, add. Okay, So once you add this records, come back here and click on verify all. So it is saying it might take a little bit time to reflect. So now these three have been added. So these two might take some time to reflect. Okay. Now the other one is added. So this is also added. You can just keep on checking. And at any point in time, if you have any doubt, right, you can just click on this link. Okay. Whichever domain manager you have. Okay. Now say for example, you could be having Namecheap, you could be having a GoDaddy, wherever you have purchased. If you click on that, it certainly takes to the article of that particular domain. So it is going to be easy for you to follow and implement as well. Let me just quickly check if that has been added here. I click on show more. So see, at times you might not see all the records here. Again, even that's one of the mistake that I had done. So I was trying to add new record because it was not reflecting. You just click on show more and you'll be able to find whether it's added or not. Okay. So it has been added here. It might take few minutes to reflect. Let me hit verify again. So this is after about 1 hour. So if you see right now, it says all records have been verified. I just had clicked on that. Let me click on proceed to setup complete. Okay, you're now ready to begin your journey with this. Now it says go to admin console. Let me click on go to admin console. Okay, this is the console. Take a tour. All right, this is all good. Domain one organization user. Okay, now let's quickly do the setup for the mobile app store or Play Store. Okay, so once you go there, I'll search as Zoho Mail. Okay, so that's the app that is referring to. This is where I see that. Okay, Zoho Mail. Okay, I'll quickly install that. Once you download the app, just click on sign in. Okay, now this is where you need to give the Zoho email ID and password that you have created. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now here, I'm going to give the ID that I used to create my account. Okay, so it is signing in. Now if you see, it is giving all the subscription information and everything. Okay, I click on allow. Okay, so I'll keep everything the way it is right now. Users, so we have one user here, storage that has been utilized. So this is for admin. Okay, App Store, and search Zoho Mail. You'll find Zoho Mail email, and I'll click on sign in. I will again enter the same details. Signing in. Okay, I'll click on Zoho Mail would like to send you notifications. I'll click on allow. Now if you see, the inbox has opened right now. What I'll do right now, I'll send one test email from my Gmail ID. Okay, I'll send one email here. Let me enter the email ID. Click on send. Now you see this, you have the email here, right? So that's how simple it is to set up. Now, if you also want to create videos and monetize with the help of social media platforms, be it with the help of YouTube, Instagram or Facebook, then just click on the link below in the comment section and register to our masterclass. Also, you can just click on this video to watch how you can generate massive revenue with the help of social media platforms as well. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe.